Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. In this video we are going to be achieving this beautiful puff. Okay, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel...
Alright guys, so if you watched my previous video, you know I did a twist out. I'll link it somewhere, but this is 2 weeks old twist out. Okay, I think it still looks good. Okay, it still looks good. But anyways, so I was getting ready, going on a date with my husband, and I was like, I'm gonna do a puff, but I think I'll do it on camera. So yeah, that's why you see my makeup, but I wasn't done. Okay, but anyway, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and freshen the hair up. And you guys know I love this cream of nature scalp and hair something conditioning something. I'll link everything in this description box. You guys already know that, but yeah, that's what I did. I freshened it up with water and the conditioner, you know, just to freshen up the hair, like I said. And I'm gonna just rub it in, make sure I have it all on my hair. Okay, and then it's this, it's a puff, so you guys, it's really easy. I'm gonna get a brush and just brush my hair all around like so. But this tutorial is how to achieve it on your short hair. Like, it's short, but then it's short in the back. So I'm gonna make sure that I brush the back like so, guys. Just making sure all the hair, all the kitchen hair is being grabbed. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this shining gel. So usually I'll use my Eco Style gel, but Eco Style gel is like wet, but this one is more like dry. I don't know how to say what I'm saying, but I didn't want to like wet my hair like that. And I'm not trying to like do too much, have too much product. So I just needed the shining gel just in the parameters of my head. Okay, like I'm not trying to soak up the whole hair or like do something extra, you know what I'm saying? So this is just a simple way. This style only took me like 5 minutes, and if I wasn't recording, it would have taken me, it took me 5 minutes, but it took me a little bit longer because I'm recording. But it's that easy. Okay, so I went in with that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the hair, just to slick down the shining gel. You can use any kind of you can even use just edge control, guys. Okay, so I'm taking this I don't think this is a shoelace. I don't know where I got this from. It's probably from a dress or something, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that like so. Okay, and then twist it in the back and bring it back in front, and then tie it. Okay, now make sure that it's not doing too much, guys. So I'm just trying to see how far I want it to go, and that was good enough for me. But don't do too much because you don't want to have a headache. And I didn't even get a headache. Like, it was that I didn't do too much because the gel and the brushing was just enough to slick up the hair. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tie that, and then I'll use bobby pins to secure that. Alright, so that's me putting on the bobby pins, to make sure that the lace just stays there. And then I'm gonna go back in with the shining gel all around my hair again, just the perimeters of my head like so, just for the little hair that may have not cooperated when I was puffing up the hair, just to further slick it and just to further slick the hair. And then I'm gonna brush it again like so. Okay, so the same thing with my back. I did the same thing. And then I'm gonna get this afro comb just to make the puff look a little bit bigger than it is because my hair is short anyways, but I'm not trying to have like a big huge afro hair, but enough for the length of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my deer silk scarf and just to slick down the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, have it all in place, and I went to a basketball game, guys, and I was out for a few hours and my hair stayed like that in place, nice and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slick down the hair with the scarf and tie it. Make sure I'm not tying it too much because you don't want no headache. So yeah, but that's what I'm doing right here. I just had to fix the scarf. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go finish my makeup, okay, and I'll be back when I'm done with my makeup. All right, so this is me all done with my makeup, but first I ended up using my afro comb, just to make sure my puff is, nice. But you can do that actually after you're done with removing the puff. I think I did it after as well, but yeah, because I'm just trying to make sure that it's giving puff, not flat puff. So I'm gonna take off the scarf. Okay, and look at how beautiful my hair looks. Look at that. Yes, it's shiny, it's sleek. I love it, and it's just so easy to achieve this. Puffs are like my go-to lazy day hairstyle, okay? Like, I love me some puff. So yeah, I went ahead and used an afro comb again. At this point my twist out was disappearing because I kept just touching the hair. But yeah, I still think it looked nice. Okay, this isn't the puff, this is the end of the hairstyle. Look at that, it's so beautiful, so simple, so easy. 5 minutes and you're out the door. And I usually do this when I have like a twist out, a braid out, and look at my back looking nice, or a wash and go. Okay, anyway guys, so this is it for this video. Make sure you comment below, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.